Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert QuickTime file to MP4. So let's get started the video. To convert video to MP4, you can use VLC Media Player. If you don't have this application, then open your web browser, search for VLC Media Player, click here, and once you are on the website, click on download. Once it's downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After completing the installation, open VLC Media Player. Now go to the top left of the screen, tap on Media, then tap on Convert Save. Now click on the Add button and add your QuickTime video file. After that, click on Convert Save. Now select the correct profile. Click here and from the list choose MP4. Then in destination, choose where the file is going to saved. Click on Browse. Enter the name of your video. Click Save. Now click on Start and you will see that the QuickTime video file is converted to MP4. Here is the progress bars that show that your video is converting to MP4. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.